So this video is for the summary of lesson number 4, and the main objectives of this video is to create a fun learning environment for speaking English, to know FEA better and to come to know about different parts of laptops. So you are going to start the lesson by greeting the new students and having an introduction round. After that you are going to announce that we are going to play a game, and the name of the game will be Pictionary, where you are going to divide the class into 2 teams and one person will come and you are going to give a slip, a word written on it. The word can be anything as given in FRB. Then the person who is on the stage will draw the image of that word, and they are not allowed to utter the word, so they will draw the image, and the people who are sitting, they will guess what the picture is. The team which guesses first will win and gets the point. Play as many rounds as you can and create a fun learning environment for the students and make them feel comfortable. After completing this activity and acknowledging their efforts, their positive attitude, good communication and creativity, we will move forward for writing in our essays. So they are going to open lesson number 4. There are some sentences. The facilitator is going to explain the meaning of the sentences and instruct the student to fill that out. After that, the students are going to practice it with their partner, including all the sentences from lesson number 2 to lesson number 4. After that, you will conduct the ball toss activity as instructed in the previous lesson. The second part of the lesson starts by sharing that they are going to know more about FEA and learning should be enjoyable. So they are going to start this activity by playing a game, and the name of the game will be Similarity and Differences. You are going to place the students into some groups and you are going to instruct them to write as many similarities as they can in 3 minutes. Similarity should not be like that which is true for all human beings, like having eyes, ears, nose. Similarity can be if one person in the group dances well and the other people also love to dance and dance well, then they are going to write it in their list. If any one person does not like dancing, so they will not mention it in their list. After 3 minutes, call on group to share their similarities, and the team which has the highest number of similarities will win. And you are going to play the round 2, where you are going to write the differences among each of the team members or the uniqueness. Like one person knows how to swim very well and the other people in the group do not know, then that will be the uniqueness of that person and you are going to mention it in the list. After 3 minutes, the team with the highest number of uniqueness will win. And later on, you are going to conclude this activity by posing 2 questions that how can it help you to be on a campus with people who have a lot of similarity like you, and the second question, how can it help you to be in a campus with people who have a lot of differences from you. After taking responses for these 2 questions, we are going to have a round of informal discussion where you are going to get to know the students better by asking the questions given in the FRB, like what do you like about your village, tell me something about your family, what do you want to do for your family, etc. It will help you to build a good bond with the student and you will get to know your students better. The third part of the lesson starts by you instructing the student to sit nearby the laptop with their peers, and you are going to call out different parts of the laptop randomly and they have to find it out and point it out. The parts can be screen, power button, touchpad, etc. After that, if they point it out correctly, you are going to call a few students and ask them the use of those parts. To check the understanding of the students, you are going to play the activity Simon Says, where you are going to instruct them that when Simon says touch the screen, you touch the screen. But when Simon does not say, then you do not touch it. Okay. So you call out like Simon says touch the screen, so they will touch the screen. If they point out the incorrect part of the laptop, they will get a strike, and if Simon does not say and still they touch any part of the laptop, then also they will get a strike. Play for all parts of the laptop and then check the understanding of the students. If students are not able to point out the correct parts, you can repeat this activity later on. And you are going to give them a note that any pen drive or USBs are not allowed to be inserted in the FEA laptops. Followed by this, you are going to ask them that when do they know the laptop has a low battery. After their answers, you are going to instruct them how to put a power cord carefully by giving a demonstration and then asking some students to demonstrate that how to put a power cord properly. Moving forward, to end and wrap up this class, you are going to ask them to share one thing they learned or enjoyed in today's lesson.